This video demonstrates how an MCP server can be used to access the functionalities of the EO4EU platform through a chat interface. This program is called LM Studio. It allows to test different large language models, or LLMs. These LLMs can run either locally on the user's laptop or can run remotely on a user's virtual machine, preferably where a GPU is available. For this demo, we are using a virtual machine hosted on ECMWF CCI. We have set up a system prompt which instructs the LLM about its role and some rules it should follow. And here you can see the tools exposed to the LLM by the MCP server. For each tool, we can configure if the user needs to be prompted before using it. So let's try to send something to the model, so to the LLM, which will use the tools listed here, hopefully. So I would go with hello. My use case is preventing fires in Crete. Please suggest 3 datasets from EO4EU. So now it's reasoning. It is using the LLM hosted on the virtual machine on CCI. And here we can see that it has called the search datasets tool exposed by the MCP server. In fact, here we have the arguments that it has supplied the tool, and we have also our result, which is here, which has been parsed by the LLM. And here is the response. Here are 3 recommended datasets from the EO4EU platform for fire prevention in Crete. And there is this fire risk mapping, active fire monitoring, and satellite hotspots detection. I will ask more details for the first dataset. Please provide more details about this one. So it's reasoning again. And then we think it will call the get dataset details tool. Here it is. It will parse the result, or let's say reason on the result, and provide an answer. So it gives us the features of the dataset, an overview, and so on. Also, this MCP server can interact with the workflows. I can say, hello, please create a new EO4EU workflow. Let's say we want a new stress test, which is a type of workflow which is used for stress testing the platform. Stress test workflow in the EO4EU platform. So the model is reasoning again. And a model wants to call create stress test workflow tool. And because here I have this ask set, it will ask me if I want to proceed. I will say yes, proceed. And it will call the tool, and it has created a new workflow. I will say, please start the newly created workflow. It's reasoning again, and we hope it will start the workflow. Yeah, here it is. And then we can say, please create a table summarizing the status of all my EO4EU workflows. It's reasoning again, and yeah, here we have a table. I have a draft workflow, I have a running workflow, and here it is. So, end of the demo. Thank you very much.